Today we're going to show you how to create a summary query using Microsoft Access. Queries are a great way to combine information from different data tables. The problem is usually when you create a query, you end up with a big itemized list. Sometimes you just want to summarize the information. So we're going to create a summary query. To do this, I'm going to click on the Create tab on the ribbon and choose Query Design. A list of tables from this database appear. This database is actually for a travel agency, and we want to keep track of the different tours that we ran in the past year. So the first table I'm going to pick is called Tours. I'm also going to choose Customer Tours and close the dialog box. The Tours table basically has generic information about the different tours we have. The Customer Tours is where people actually go in and enter the registrations for the different people that are going on the tour. So the first thing I want to look at is the name of the tour. So I'm going to double click on the tour name from the Tours table. But what I want to do is get a grand total for each tour. So that's actually going to be the cost. So I'm going to double click on cost from Customer Tours. And I also want to get a total number of tickets. If I were to click on the View button and look at the datasheet view of this query, it's just going to give me a big, huge list. What I need to do is see each tour separately and then get a grand total of the cost and the number of tickets. So what I had to do was switch back to the Design view. And now I'm going to create a total row. So if I click on the Total button up on the ribbon, it adds a row to the Query by Design grid called Total. So I want to see each tour separately. So under the total row, I want to make sure it says Group By. But then when I get to the cost field, I'm going to click and choose Sum and do the same with the number of tickets. So now if I click on the datasheet view or run the query, I'll see each tour separately, get a total cost and a total number of tickets. That's the beauty of the summary query.